Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, November 5, 2021 on our channel. Daikin presented the new VRV 5 heat recovery unit. Eurovent Market Intelligence reports on post-pandemic HVACR market trends. China reversible cooling and heating units market overview. Kaltra has added heat recovery to the latest generation of its air-cooled chillers. Mitsubishi Electric Air Conditioning Systems Europe Limited invests £15.3 million in its Livingston manufacturing facility. Johnson Controls celebrates the 50th anniversary of commercial HVAC manufacturing facility. New edition of Atmosphere America was held online. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces Karssiens as president of the Americas region. So, first news today. Daikin presented the new VRV 5 heat recovery unit. Announced by Daikin as a sustainability champion, the groundbreaking 5HT generation heat recovery system is set to greatly reduce the CO2 footprint of buildings. Daikin seeks to deliver a comfortable, healthy indoor climate, keeping the total CO2 equivalent emissions as low as possible throughout the entire building life cycle. The new VRV 5 heat recovery unit represents a significant milestone on this journey, with the introduction of the lower GWP refrigerant R32 for larger commercial buildings, while keeping the VRV flexibility to cater for all types of indoor spaces, even very small areas. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Eurovent Market Intelligence reports on post-pandemic HVACR market trends. Eurovent Market Intelligence, EMI, has published its special annual report on the HVACR industry in 2021. It mainly investigates the market's post-pandemic situation by product, country and application, including a 5-year forecast, 2020 to 2024, for each subchapter, as well as the main market drivers and challenges. The main information in the report European HVACR market, post-pandemic trends and key challenges, is a synthesis of qualitative survey results from the HVACR manufacturers, 203 respondents from 19 countries, interviews conducted with professionals in the HVACR sector, macroeconomic data and the EMI database. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. China reversible cooling and AMP, heating units market overview. With the improvement of people's living standards, the increase in market consumption, and the rapid growth of residential heating market demand in southern China, sales of reversible units have been growing rapidly thanks to their advantages in terms of energy saving, comfort and environmental aspect. Chiller manufacturers entered this market at an early stage in China. By introducing air-to-water reversible units and promoting them actively via their channel partners, the technology gained popularity. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Kaltra has added heat recovery to the latest generation of its air-cooled chillers. Production of domestic hot water is now possible with Kaltra's last-generation air-cooled chillers fitted with desuperheaters, including ranges with scroll and screw compressors. Optimized flow heat exchanger installed in between compressors and condenser coils and acting as a desuperheater offer heating duty of up to 30% of chillers' cooling capacity and hot water supply temperature range from 30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Mitsubishi Electric Air Conditioning Systems Europe Limited invests £15.3 million in its Livingston manufacturing facility. Mitsubishi Electric Air Conditioning Systems Europe Limited is investing £15.3 million in its Livingston manufacturing facility to significantly increase its productivity, efficiency and research and AMP, development, R&D, capabilities to meet increasing European and UK demand for its innovative and sustainable low-carbon heat pumps that tackle climate change. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Johnson Controls celebrates the 50th anniversary of commercial HVAC manufacturing facility. Johnson Controls, the global leader for smart, healthy and sustainable buildings, celebrated the 50th anniversary of the company's commercial HVAC manufacturing plant in Norman, Oklahoma, The 900,000 square foot facility, known as Johnson Controls Rooftop Center of Excellence, serves as the company's flagship location for industry research, manufacturing, and testing of commercial rooftop units. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. New edition of Atmosphere America was held online. Key HVAC and AMP are industry stakeholders from across North America and beyond, including end users, technology suppliers, and representatives from local governments and international organizations, all gathered online yesterday at Atmo America Summit 2021 to network, learn, and exchange knowledge with industry-changing discussions in the natural refrigerants market. Sessions highlights: cooling is crucial for public health, and we need to develop policies and practices that negate heat island and reduce the inequitable risks. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces Karssiens as president of the Americas region. Hoshizaki Corporation has appointed Karssiens to the new role of president of the Americas region. He will serve in this role concurrently with his current position as president of Hoshizaki America. Karssiens joined Hoshizaki America Incorporated in the beginning of 2020 as SVP of Sales and AMP Marketing. He has held leadership roles in several food service organizations including Scotsman Industries, Enidus, Wellbuilt, Standix, and Middleby, and spent 7 years managing both Enidus and Wellbuilt APAC, Asia Pacific. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.